Hi. In the earlier video we saw DC number 59 generated with delivery due as 11th. You can see in the dashboard an alert is also appearing for this DC. Now we assume that delivery is being made by the vendor. Just select outgoing DC and enter vendor's DC number, inward date, incoming item code, quantity and remarks if any. That's all. A GRN has been quickly generated with whole lot of information, including the batch number, automatically. You go to the daybook and you can see the inward GRN listed there. See how fast we can generate a return stock GRN in few seconds. You can also go to subcontract DC report. Select the date period. You can see outward DC with outgoing quantity and against that the incoming quantity is summarized. Material management is made simple with simpliRP.